Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this farmhouse style fireplace TV stand with sliding barn doors. And my initial reaction after assembling it is that this TV stand is a spectacle to say the least, and will definitely be the standout piece in any room that it's in. This TV stand highlights a glowing electric fireplace where you can adjust all of its functions right from your couch using the provided remote. It's got two beautiful sliding barn style doors with black metal accents, and there are two adjustable shelves on each end of the cabinet. And as for the assembly, it took me just about 2 hours to complete, from unboxing to assembling using an electric drill and following the instructions step by step. But the average person can expect anywhere between 2 and 4 hours for the assembly. This, of course, will vary depending on your skill set and the tools that you use. Now, as you unbox all the parts, you should easily find the instruction manual, which everyone loves to read. Haha, just kidding. Also, there's a thank you card with all the customer support information on it, a bag with the remote, user manual, and screws specifically for the electric fireplace, and finally, a bag of all the individually packaged hardware, which is a major plus because this means you don't have to do any hardware organizing yourself. Overall, I really like this TV stand and highly recommend it to anyone looking to add a rustic, farmhouse style element to their entertainment space. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? In this video, I'm going to share with you a few tips to help you successfully assemble this TV stand so that you can enjoy it immediately after the assembly is complete. Tip number 1 is to complete as much of the assembly as you can on an elevated work table like I'm doing here. If you build the entire TV stand on the ground, then it will require you to be hunched over in the kneeling position for an extended period of time. And by the time you're done, your knees and your back may not be too happy with you. So any opportunity that you have to take the stress off your body parts, you should definitely take it. Tip number 2 is for if you're using a battery-powered drill to complete parts of the assembly. If this is you, then make sure you're using it on its lowest setting. You'll almost never need to go above level 1 or 2 to complete the assembly, or any other furniture assembly for that matter. Any level above this setting could potentially damage your furniture, so use any power tool safely and with caution. And tip number 3 is specifically for when you are installing the electric fireplace. Make sure to use the correct screws for this step. They're located in the small plastic bag, which also holds the fireplace remote and fireplace manual. This could be really easy to miss and cause you confusion because all the other hardware arrive together in a separate bag. Now, if you follow these tips, then your TV stand should look like this. Overall, I really like this TV stand and highly recommend it to anyone looking to add a rustic, farmhouse style element to their entertainment space. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.